So I just wanted to start out today's video with a moment of silence for anyone who was incarcerated or lost family members over any of the very few incidents that happened recently. And a big thank you to any of the Patreon members who are still with me. And a big thank you not to one Patreon member in particular. As a lot of you know, Tesla launched their satellite Starlink 22 on the 14th, which as of filming this was 2 days ago. And one of my Patreon members flew a helicopter drone too close to liftoff. And now I've gotten a cease and desist letter, and I'm not allowed to tell you guys you can be astronauts in a day. And I'm definitely not allowed to link a description of the video that he captured in the description below or in the biography of my Instagram page at scenesfromsomewhere.com. And if you're a lawyer or you passed the bar and you're watching this, don't even check. It's not important. But moving forward, what was I, 10? Dreams of becoming an astronaut. I don't know, I've done a lot of growing up, and I think I know that moving forward, I need to focus on my health. And the other day I was like not able to sleep for days. I was crying myself to sleep, if any at all. And that's when I went to the bathroom. And I looked at myself in the mirror. And I was pretty fit, like bathing suit weather fit. And then I ended up in the hospital. And the doctor explained to me that I had a colon bacteria, that someone had some sick feces on their hands, and then they touched something that I touched, and then I put that in my mouth, and I got sick. And then right there, it hit me. So if anyone out there would like to know this revelation that I've had, just, if you can, head on over to my Patreon, and if you could just sign up for a month subscription to that, that should give you access to anything really you need to know about any of the new information that I will be giving out in the next video series. Alright guys, konnichiwa, kimisabes, see you in the next video. Thanks for sticking with me. Hard time to make diamonds, Sick poop. I mean, it's poop, but it's totally sick.